What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Drew's Music Corner. I'm your host, Drew, today, your instructor. Today we're going to talk about a new picking pattern, or not really a new picking pattern, but my man Clarence White's picking pattern. If you guys don't know Clarence White, you need to go do your homework. He kind of taught Tony Rice how to do his thing. So anyway, Clarence is known for being a member of the Byrds and the Carter family and the Kentucky Colonels, as well as a fancy guitar picker himself. And he's got a style that he does that's resemblance of like banjo rolls, but still being like a hot lead guitar player. And it's taken me I've been finally reading this book and not just trying to read the tablature, reading what his brother says and about the method to doing this. And it's different than other things. So I've been playing guitar for 25 years and try to learn something new, picking patterns. It's a pain in the butt. But we're doing it, man. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So you only need the three middle strings, B, G, and D. And you're gonna be doing the three chords of C, F, and G, but the pattern will be C, F, C, G, right? So it'll be up here on the 2nd fret on the D string, your G string's open, and then 1st fret on the B string. I've got the capo on the 3rd, so to make this video a little bit easier. Anyway, so 2nd fret, open string, 1st fret. That's it. And then with the picking hand, you're gonna go down, down, up, right? Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Which is different from a lot of stuff. But anyway, the pattern will go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And on the right, so up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So then I said that the pattern would be C, F, C, G. So if you can get that down, right? So you'll switch chords, right? I almost messed it up. So you can show you up here on this hand what I'm doing. It's going C, F, C, open. So you can even practice that, right? If you're still having trouble doing that, just do an open G chord, right? And it can take a long time, like even there I just messed it up. It's not easy and it's different, but when you get it worked into with the way everything's playing, I'm not there yet. His Shady Grove's different, and that's where I'm kind of like trailing off here. Yeah, I don't have the Shady Grove down yet. I still got like 6 fiddle tunes going in my head from playing this stuff. I'm not there yet, pickers. I'm working on it. So yeah, it's down, down, up, right? Down, down, up. See, I messed it up right there. You want to do the D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G. Those 3 strings. D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G. it'll take some time. Like, I've been playing it for a couple days straight, and just a little bit ago I was able to get it. So anyway, that's my quick pointer on how to do the Clarence white picking pattern in almost under 5 minutes. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell button, and hopefully I can get you more guitar videos coming up. Anyway,